Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making sweet chili wings. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned. I'll show you just how I make this.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
So all I'm doing here guys is just cleaning up my wings. I like to cut off the little fat bit at the front there. Ain't nobody want to eat that. And just literally checking over the wings, slicing it up into pieces. I'm just literally make sure you check your wings to make sure there is no feather or hair or whatever you call it left on there. If there is, I just burn it off on the cooker. So now I'm just seasoning up my wings. I'll list the seasoning that I used in the description box. Make sure you season your chicken well guys, because it's not gonna really have much taste, but don't over season it, because remember we're going to put the sweet chili sauce on it and that will give it such an amazing flavor. So although you do season it, don't over season it, because it's just going to be too overpowering then. Make sure you give it a good mix. I use the spoon, but if you want to go ahead and use your fingers, you can. Make sure you rub that seasoning in really well. So now I've just got some seasoned flour and I'm just putting the chicken wings in it. I prefer to use it in a bag because I think you can work the flour more around the chicken and really get a good coating, especially when I'm doing wings. So what I'm doing now, I'm just literally pressing the flour onto the chicken. Make sure they have a really good coating. I'm just checking them to just make sure there's flour all over. If there's not, just give the bag another shake and just from the outside of the bag, just use your hand and just literally squeeze and pack that flour on. I'm literally just gonna fry the wings now. I've just sprinkled a little bit of flour in the oil before to just make sure it's hot, and as you can see, I'm just putting in the wings. Guys, please don't overcrowd the pot, because then what happens is the temperature of the oil will drop and you won't get that crispiness that you want from the wings. So literally just fry them maybe about 7 minutes on each side, just to make sure it's cooked properly, because nobody want no raw chicken eating around here. Just to make sure as well that they have a good crisp coating, and not just on the inside, but it cooks all the way through. So yeah, this is literally about 12-13 minutes later. You can tell when your wings are cooked, because then they become very light in the pot and they kind of start to float a little bit. So now I'm just literally gonna start putting the sauce on. I just had made this sauce, so it's still quite hot. So I'm just literally spooning it all over the chicken now, just to make sure the chicken get a good coating of this delicious sauce. If you want to know how I made this sauce guys, I will leave a link in the description box of how I made this sauce. So I'm literally just coating it all over now, and look at that. Guys, this was so good. It came out so good. It was just so crispy, so flavorful. It didn't get soggy. It was just nice, and the sauce was like, man, I did that. Did I do that? Yes, I did. I'm just literally plating it up now. I'm just serving this now, just on a bit of lettuce, really. Presentation purposes, we get down after the camera is turned off, but yeah, just literally plating this up now. And I hope you enjoy this recipe guys. If you do, be sure to tag me. Please make sure you follow me on Instagram under the same name at Shell's Homestyle Kitchen. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share this video for me. I hope you enjoy me making this, because I sure did, and it came out so good. So as usual, thanks for watching guys. Bye.